Hi everyone, so today I got this beautiful mega kit from Derma and it has my customized name on it too. Thank you, it's a very cute gesture. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Let's see what's inside this box. Their products are completely organic and herbal. So we have so many products. We have Derma Hand and Foot Lightening Bleach Mask. We have Whitening Skin Polisher. We have whitening scrub, and this is my favorite thing. This is pure whitening black mask with charcoal extract. ये बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने ये सारी चीजें पर्सनली भी यूज की हैं. हमारी डेली रूटीन के लिए इट्स वेरी नाइस. क्योंकि हम लड़कियां इतना मेकअप करती हैं ना, तो स्किन की केयर भी बड़ी जरूरी है. Okay, so you can also order this mega kit in rupees only 4,300, and you can get 12% discount by using my promo code AKTWELVE. तो फिर किस बात है?